Good morning, everyone. It is Mark and Billy. We're at Lake of the Ozarks. It is the 27th of February, a Friday. A little chilly this morning, 48 degrees, but it's supposed to be 72. We're supposed to have a little bit of a wind from the southwest, which is going to blow directly down some of the coves that we plan on fishing. We're at PB2 getting our start today. Thanks for joining the channel and watching our videos. Hopefully we'll have some fishing content for you today. Billy's up front right now throwing a crankbait, or a jerk bait. And we're going to give a jerk bait and some crankbaits, some A-rigs a shot today. See what's going to catch some fish. With the warming temperatures, we're expecting them to start moving up and towards the back of some coves. We'll see. Not too many fishing reports have come out lately since the BFL tournament last weekend. But it hasn't been that great out either. So we'll see how it goes today. We may go out onto the main lake, try some coves off the main lake. We'll see how it turns out. What's the water clarity, Billy? Kind of stained. Kind of clear up right next to the bank, but maybe 1 foot, 1.5 foot visibility. Clear blue skies. Sun is out. Should warm up pretty quick. Get rid of some of this clothing. You feel that breeze though. Lake level's down a bunch. But that's going to change, I think, next week. After Sunday, I think we have 7 days of rain forecasted. Get this lake level back up. And today we're using the 360 camera. I'm going to see how that goes. Testing out my editing skills. So thanks for joining the channel. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. If we catch something, we'll put them in the highlights. So stay tuned for those highlights.
Say nothing yet.
Bam! No zero for me either. I got you all 3 hooks there, dude.
You were working on it though.
I was working it. Woo! That dude is cold.
Look at how much is on there.
Holy cow!
That's almost a 2-pounder.
Belly's full. Look at that dude. Shit. almost a 3-pounder on a jerk bait on the shoreline. See, I'm glad I come over here. And you did just barely have that guy too.
Yep. Could have broke off any time.
Yep. Yeah, all I do is just shake its head.
Yeah.
Got one?
Yeah.
Damn, on a roll now.
He's fat. He's 2 pounds.
No, he ain't 2 pounds.
Yeah, he is. He's a fat little 2-pounder. Look at that belly.
He ain't a pound and a half.
He is.
Well, he's a pound and a half.
Hell, he might even go 5.
That's a spot. So it might be a keeper, but not for next week because they don't take spots. 1.21. Drove that right into my fingernail. Smart move. There we go. There we go. I got one. Oh, and it just came off. What size are you there, buddy? 16 inches? Yeah, a little over 16 inches. Yeah! Nice fish.
Fill out.
Damn, that's a spot too.
How it's supposed to feel.